Your next car could be the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. Relax and enjoy the road trip in this convenient, well-equipped Santa Fe. Crossover versatility, striking looks, the latest infotainment and safety tech, and a spacious, comfortable cabin are yours in this stylish, family-focused SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, backup camera, satellite radio, power liftgate, heated mirrors, dual zone AC, power driver seat. Comfort blends with versatility in bold, modern style in this striking Santa Fe. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.